Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to pin any website to Windows 11 taskbar. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, we need to bring up our Google Chrome. So by that, please proceed at the button search bar and type for Chrome. Once you have typed it, wait until a best match would appear here in our screen, okay, before we proceed. Now, once it's here, you just have to double tap to it, or if you have seen any options here which is open, you can click on it, okay? So in my case, I'll just double tap it. So the moment you do that, you just have to wait until you are being redirected to the Google Chrome browser itself. Now, once it's here, you need to proceed to the search bar at the center. You can see it here. You need to type for the website that you want to add with. So let's say, for example, I want to add the Reddit website here in my taskbar. So all you need to do is you need to search for the particular website that you want to pin in your taskbar. Then click on enter, and the moment you do that, you would be able to see a list of results. All you need to do is you need to proceed with the first result. Okay, make sure it is under the website of the particular website. I mean, under of the link is under on the particular website that you want to pin with. So Reddit, once you are being redirected here, please proceed at the upper right side of the screen. You can see there are three dots. Click on it to customize and control Google Chrome. Once you're done, you need to scroll down and locate your cursor here in this cast, save, and share. The moment you locate your cursor here, this would appear. All you need to do is you need to proceed with this one, install page as application. So tap on it, and the moment you've tapped on it, you just have to wait until a small window would ask you to confirm your action. You just have to proceed with install. So click on it and wait until a new window would appear, which is this website itself. Okay, so I can see it here. It appears Reddit, the heart of the internet. You can now minimize the window, or you can now close it the moment this small window would appear. Okay, you can now minimize it. The moment you have close the Google Chrome browser itself and check in the desktop screen if it's being added here. In my case, I have seen it here. So this notification also asks us to, would you like to pin to your taskbar? You can simply click on yes. And in this way, you would be able to pin the website that you have want to pin with in your Windows 11 taskbar. You can also do a right click here. Okay, please do a right click and please proceed with this show more options. Okay, and wait until an options would be shown here in our screen the moment you do that. Here, you need to proceed with pin to taskbar. I mean, I have just pinned it. That's why it says here unpin from taskbar. But if I'll unpin it and if I'll navigate the same process, and that is to do a right click, go with show more options. Okay, we just have to wait, please. It will be showing here pin to taskbar. So tap on it and it will be pinned here in the taskbar. So that's it. Hopefully this video helped you a lot. If yes, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.